breaking news shaking the sports world. Anthony Joshua has been injured in a serious car crash in Nigeria, and 2 people have tragically lost their lives. The crash happened on the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway when the SUV Joshua was traveling in collided with a stationary truck. Emergency responders arrived quickly, but 2 occupants were pronounced dead at the scene. Joshua, seated in the back, survived with reported minor injuries and was taken to hospital. This comes just days after Joshua's massive knockout win over Jake Paul, a fight that reignited his career and dominated global headlines. The timing makes this hit harder. Joshua was in Nigeria, reconnecting with his roots, celebrating victory, then tragedy struck. Fans worldwide are reacting with shock, gratitude that he survived, and sorrow for the lives lost. It's a powerful reminder. Success can change in a second, and life is never guaranteed. We'll monitor this evolving story and keep you updated.
Bros, what did they find?